Look at that. Okay, now I gotta take this part, cut this into a V. Oh, what is going on, guys? This is Moses and welcome back to another video. Guys, there's something cool I just saw on the internet and I'm gonna try to do it soon. But before I do that, I just want to say I hope you guys are having a good day. Hey, look at this. It's pretty nice out. Also, I gotta show you this Google trick some of you probably have or haven't heard of. Okay, so if you go on Google, right, and ask Google to do a barrel roll, do a barrel roll. Look at this. The whole page just spins. Look at that. Wait, hold on. Let me try again. There's a website right here where you can do a barrel roll 10 times in a row. Whoa, look at that. The page is just constantly spinning. Like, that's crazy. Okay, so let's talk about the cool thing I said I was gonna do. Today, I'm gonna be making a swan out of an apple. I saw a lot of people on YouTube making this, and I thought it would be a good idea if I made one as well. There are a lot of steps to making this. All these steps are pretty hard, but I'll try my best. First thing you need is just a regular apple, then a plate for it, and also a knife. I also have the steps on my phone too. Let's try this. Okay, so the first step is to cut through the center at a slight angle. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, making a vertical cut to the right of the apple core. Alright, cut it right here. Making a horizontal slice to cut out the wedge of the apple. Okay, horizontal cut right here. I hope I don't cut my fingers off. Ooh. Almost messed up here. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Flip your wedge over and make another vertical cut. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this wedge over and make another vertical cut. Go ahead and make another vertical cut. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and mess up on this. Because this knife really isn't that sharp. Okay, oh no, please don't tell me I messed up. Oh no. Oh no, I probably messed up. Okay, now it's saying to make another one. Now it's saying I should repeat the process. Okay, so I already made one. Go ahead and make two. Already made one. Okay, there, that's two. I guess this is the last one. There we go. I think this looks good so far. Look at that. Now I gotta do it for the other side. Making one for the other side. Okay, one come out. Alright, it came out. Let's do this. Cut a horizontal over here. Cut a horizontal over here. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. Come on. Okay, look at that. Okay, since I have all my wings all cut up, now I just need to cut a slot right in the middle of here. Try to get this out. Look at that. Okay, now I gotta take this part, cut this into a V. Okay. Okay, let that part out. That's nice. Keep a straight line from the bottom. Put the head in. Alright guys, I'm finally finished and this is what I have so far. Look at this. A mini apple swan. At least I tried my best. But it looks nice though. Oh yeah, and guys, I think I made a mistake when making this. I actually used a small apple instead of a bigger one. That's probably why it was harder for me to cut. But you know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And to be honest, making this was pretty hard. Yeah, it was pretty hard. I made a mistake this time. I shouldn't have used a bigger apple this time. But Yeah, it was still fun to make though. Comment down below if you think I did okay here. Go ahead and check out my last video, which will be in the link in the description down below, and all my social media will be in the link in the description too. But yeah guys, that's the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.